Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley. In today's episode, we're going to be making a delicious creamy garlic butter Tuscan shrimp. Take a quick pic with your phone of the ingredients. We're going to be using a 32-ounce bag of large peeled and deveined shrimp. But first, we'll start by dicing 1/4 of an onion and a little bit of parsley. We're also going to be cooking linguine, so we want to start heating up our water. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to prevent your pasta from sticking. In a hot pan, we want to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add your shrimp. Oops, before you add your shrimp, add 2 tablespoons of garlic.
Don't be like Rose.
Alright, you want to cook your shrimp on both sides until it's nice and pink. It shouldn't take long to cook, just don't overcook it, otherwise it'll be rubbery. Once cooked nice and pink like this, we want to transfer them to a dish temporarily. Alright, coming back to our pot, our water is now boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and add my linguine. Make sure to cook it according to your box direction. Now coming back to my same pan, I'm going to be adding my diced onions. I'm going to saute my onions for about a minute. Then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Let's give it a mix, and this is going to help your sauce thicken. Add 1/2 cup of white cooking wine. Now we want to add a jar of julienne cut sun-dried tomatoes. If you don't like the sun-dried tomatoes, you can skip this part, but it's really what makes this dish. Let's get our tomatoes all mixed in. We want to also add 1 3/4 cups of half and half. Now 3 cups of baby spinach. We want to mix and cook until your spinach wilts. Once our spinach is wilted, we want to add 1 cup of finely shredded parmesan cheese. We just want to let our cheese melt, and oh my goodness, it's already looking and smelling delish. Alright friends, we're going to add some salt and pepper, and this is to your taste. Ooh, just look how nice and creamy this looks. Yum. Alright guys, it's time to add back our shrimp. We're going to get everything mixed in and let our shrimp absorb all of these yummy, delicious flavors in here. After a couple of minutes, we're going to top this off with some freshly cut parsley. We are ready to plate. We want to start with some pasta on the bottom. I've got my linguine here. Now we want to add our shrimp. All the flavors in here coupled with the sun-dried tomatoes and the creamy, delicious sauce. And then your shrimp. Oh, mamma mia. And of course, we have to go in for the taste. Please give this a like and comment below. I want to know what you think. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.